Donald or Douglas. I found this set in a different boxes, and I don't know what to do. The thing is that these two, they look similar, and this one has a creepy looking eyes. But you can see right there, it says Douglas. Yeah, Douglas. Now, this one is from Mattel 2012. Now, these two boys right here, they look the same, but I found this engine or model train, as you can see it right here. Even has a battery in it. Let me see. I'm gonna open it. I haven't had a chance to open it yet. Okay, oh yeah, there's a battery in there. And looks like there is a lot of corrosion right over there. Now, the thing is, I want to make, you know what I'm going to make. I want to paint these boys in blue. My question is, this is definitely Donald, because it has a nameplate right there. We have the number 9. Correct? Yeah, okay. Now the thing is that this one has no number plate, and I want you to help me decide if I just put the number plate right here or paint this ugly face Douglas together with Donald. I mean, it's gonna look ugly. I mean, I don't like the looking. He looks really ugly and creepy. And beside the eyes, okay, I see the mouth is a little bit different on this one, but these two right here, I don't see any difference. So I think this engine is Donald too. Now we have tenders right here, more tenders, and I could paint these two guys in blue as a, you know, Donald and Douglas in blue livery. But I don't know if I should put this model train as a Douglas. As a seller, I don't care. I just put a nameplate and that's it. My customers will buy it on eBay. But I want to consider your opinion on YouTube, here on YouTube, because one or two guys out of 14 subscribers don't like it if I just put a nameplate. But hey, the purpose is to, you know, paint it on blue. So, what do you guys think? This definitely is Donald. But what about these two? Should I paint, put a nameplate here as a Douglas, or just put this ugly, creepy face Douglas? See, this one is this found on I found this on boxes from eBay, and I don't know, this one has battery in it or no? Too small, too small. I don't know where are my screwdrivers. So, okay, let's try again. Can't even open. Oh, this one is different. Okay. Yeah, see, this model, you have to unscrew the bottom and lift the whole thing, the whole top or shell. And the other model, you just unscrew it, and the just the boiler part is the one that comes off, not like this one, a single piece. But anyways, see, let me show you. Because if you compare Ben and Bill, they have the same face. See, same face. And I was thinking, you know, Donald and Douglas, you know, since they are twins, they should be, you know, should have the same face. Now I have another Ben and Bill. One is, Bill is looking to the left, you know, from to the left, and the other one is looking straight. Ben is looking straight. So, well, here's the thing, I don't see any difference right on this Ben and Bill. Now, these two are from Tommy, 1999. And this Ben and Bill are the toy company. 2006. And that's the reason these guys are really similar. I mean, they are, you cannot see any difference until you see just the nameplate. And I've been still considering just put the nameplate on this model train as a Douglas, right? But I definitely see a difference right here on the mouth. It's a little smaller mouth. The smile is different, but I think it's because of the model. Anyways, please let me know in the comments below if I should paint this as a, put the nameplate as a Douglas, and then I will go ahead and paint it. If most of the people agree that I put this as a Douglas, I will paint it, these two guys in blue, and not this one. This, I don't like the creepy looking on this. And anyways, it's Mattel, it's not hit toy company like these two. Alright, please let me know. Thank you, bye.